Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you these awesome strawberries with chocolate glaze. Easy to prepare and as you can see, really pretty. And you will see that it's so easy to make these and you will really enjoy them. I have here fresh strawberries that I'm gonna wash. I'm not gonna remove the green part. White chocolate, some food dye, white and bread, and some sprinkles to decorate them. First, I will melt the chocolate. I broke it in smaller pieces and have it in a metallic metal bowl over hot water in a pot, and I will leave it there to melt. Strawberries that I washed, as you can see, I use barbecue skewers or you can use toothpicks to be easier to glaze them like these. You're not gonna put your fingers all over the chocolate and so on. Try to find strawberries that are really fresh and crisp. You don't want them to be really ripe. Let the chocolate to melt completely because white chocolate has this yellowish tint. I'm adding here some white food dye to change it up a bit to make it whiter, and take strawberries one by one and dip them in that melted chocolate. Let the excess drip away and let them dry on baking paper, and proceed in the same way with the rest of them. You can help yourself with a spoon, not to eat the chocolate, just to be easier to glaze each of these strawberries and remove some of that excess chocolate. They will look so nice and they're really tasty. I have to tell you this. After you glaze them, you can have them in the fridge and the chocolate will solidify a bit faster. But as you can see, the first one that I made are already dried. And you need to eat these, let's say, on the same day that you made them or the second day, because otherwise they will go bad faster. The chocolate is really hard when is really hot when we glaze these. I have a bit of chocolate left here and I'm gonna add 1 or 2 drops of red food dye just to have some fun and make the strawberries prettier. You can use dark chocolate as well. Keep in mind that the milk chocolate is really sweet, so lots of sugar in it. So you should share these strawberries with your friends and family, lots of them. Don't eat all of these alone because your sugar intake will be insane. And I put the chocolate, the pink one, in a piping bag. I cut just a tiny bit, just a corner, a small one, so the chocolate will pour in a, as you can see, a thin ribbon here, and just have fun and decorate the strawberries. Use some sprinkles as well. And yeah, you can have fun with lots of colors and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna try these and tell me what you think. I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Thank you. These make me smile. Yes, it's true. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Bye.